Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial doing this pretty mint green eye look. I use pretty much the products that I purchased from my Sephora haul. I'll put a card up here somewhere. So yeah, it's very pretty, very chocolate girl friendly with a nude lip. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this, keep on watching. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, show me some love, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, bye guys. Let's get these brows on together. Voila. So first I'm going to go in with my Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. I absolutely love this primer. I'm just going to apply that on my face. Next I'm going to go in for Solly's Skin Tune Blur, just to mattify my T-zone area. For my eyes, I'm going to take P. Louise eyeshadow base in rumor number 4 or 5. I'll leave it down below. The star of this show, Huda Beauty's Men Obsessions. These shadows don't have any names to them, but I'm going to take that Sierra brown color and apply that into my crease area as my transition color. Next, I'm going to take this matte teal green color and I'm apply that into my outer corner and on into my crease. You guys, this color is so bomb, like, and so pigmented. And a little bit goes a long way with this as well. If you guys have this palette, do not be afraid of it. You can create some bomb looks with it. Next, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty's Matte and Metallics duo. I'm going to first take that matte green color and I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. Somewhat doing a cut crease. And I'm sorry, it's a matte mint green color. And I'm going back in with that matte teal green color and I'm just going to blend out those harsh lines on the edges. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going to take that metallic end and I'm just going to apply a little bit of it on to my lid and then I'm going to blend it out with my brush. A little bit goes a long way with this because if you end up putting too much on there, it will flake on you. And patting motions. Now this color right here tied the entire eye look together. Yes, ma'am. Did my lashes off camera, so now I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath's foundation. I love how it is such a medium coverage and it looks so natural on the skin. And I'm in the shade 26. I'm just blending that out with my Real Techniques brush. Next, I'm going to go in Pat McGrath's 26 concealer. I love how it is a medium to full coverage. And I'm just putting this on to conceal. Covering up those bags, sis. And then I'm going to highlight a little bit, just a subtle highlight with the shade 23. Next, I'm going to go in with that under eye powder from Pat McGrath, and this is in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to set where I did my highlight. And I love how it literally blurred out those lines up under my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's cream bronzer in the shade Chocolate. At first, I thought this was going to be too dark. It kind of is, but light hand is possible. And I didn't set it, but I may next time with Mocha Mami. And that's by Fenty Beauty as well. Next, I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty's cream blush in the shade Rosy Latte. I love how it gives that natural flush to the cheeks. I didn't set this one as well too, but next time I have one in mind that I'll set it with. Onto my lips, I'm going to go in with ColourPop's BBF3. This has become one of my favorite lip liners. Such a subtle chocolate girl friendly brown lip liner. And Huda Beauty's Last Night lipstick. This lipstick is so pretty. This is definitely has become one of my favorite nudes. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys hit that subscribe button, thumbs up. Till next time, bye.